Welcome! If you're looking to make your Telegram experience more private and less cluttered, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable the Suggest Frequent Contacts feature in Telegram, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is all about giving you control over what you share and who can see it. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Suggest Frequent Contacts. By default, this feature is turned on, which means Telegram will suggest people you message often, showing them at the top of your search for quick access. If you'd rather keep your search uncluttered and your messaging habits private, it's time to switch this off. To do that, simply tap the toggle next to Suggest Frequent Contacts. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know that disabling this feature will also delete data about the people you message frequently, as well as the inline bots you're likely to use. If you're sure, confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Suggest Frequent Contacts feature. From now on, Telegram won't suggest frequent contacts at the top of your search, giving you a cleaner and more private messaging experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more privacy settings in Telegram to further protect your data and customize your app just the way you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private Telegram experience.